Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolute great must-have device for every homeowner, and it's going to make finding that circuit breaker super easy. So this is by a company called KAIWEETS, is I think how you pronounce it. It's going to come in this nice little bag here, and it is a circuit breaker finder and also outlet tester. Absolutely love this thing. So I live in a really old house, and the breaker labeling is non-existent. So I have to basically just click them on and off, walk into the house and see if the lights are on and off. Not anymore. This thing is really, really cool. So first off, what do you get everything when you open it up? Naturally, you're gonna get instructions that tell you about it. We're covering all the features right here in the video. So you're gonna get this basically little kind of tester device. This is what you are going to plug into your outlet. As you can see, it has two prongs and a ground. Very, very easy. Just simply press it in, and then it's gonna give you all the various different readings on here. So this is designed essentially for 90 to 120 volts. However, it is going to give you a display of what it's drawing from 30 to 150 as far as, you know, because in case you're trying to troubleshoot an outlet, for example. Now, you're going to notice down here on the bottom, you're going to see a little example of an outlet. It's going to tell you your neutral, your live, and your ground wire. Depending on what's blinking, it's going to depend on letting you know what your problem is. If everything is good, the screen is going to be green. If it sees some kind of issue, the screen is going to be red. And that could be anything. It looks for a lot of different options. For example, it will be looking for a missing live wire. It's going to look for an open ground, which is a case in my house because a lot of they didn't do grounds back in the 50s. And then it has like the open neutral, live in ground reverse, live in neutral reverse, and yeah, so you got lots of options there. It also is a GFCI tester, so you can simply hit the test button and it'll test that GFC outlet, make sure that is also functioning as well. So very, very easy to utilize. Now you may say, oh, well, what if I don't want to use this on an outlet? This set's got you covered. So first off, you are going to get a little attachment here that's going to convert it from the ground option to just the two prongs. So if you have one of those outlets, just go ahead and plug it into this. If you have a light bulb socket you're wanting to check, you've got the little adapter you can utilize this for. Just go ahead and plug all three in. And then if you have like a live wire, it comes with these little alligator clips, right? That you can go ahead and plug in onto the end and then plug in the alligator clips onto the live wires and then go ahead and trace it that way. So lots of little options. Now you can utilize this on its own. However, if you're wanting to find that circuit breaker, that is where this little device comes into play. And yeah, this is basically finding the little breakers, super easy to use. Both of these are powered just by a couple AAA batteries, so you don't have to worry about recharging or anything like that. Just swap out the batteries whenever you need to. But yeah, when you utilize this thing, how it's gonna work is you're gonna go to your electrical panel and you're gonna scan it. Make sure it's turned on, and you're gonna notice it's gonna have a little scanning wheel. You're gonna scan all the various little breakers. Then you're gonna make sure this is then plugged into wherever you're wanting to do it, and then re-scan all of your breakers, and whenever it lights up red, that is your live breaker, and it's checking that via the signals between these two guys. Really, really cool. If you ever need to reset it, just hit the little reset button to start over, and it even has a nice little flashlight, so if you're doing any work at night, you can press that, and there's a little flashlight built into the end of it. Now, this guy, if you do unplug it, and you wanna know what the readings are, it will hold the readings, so be sure to hit the reset button to go ahead and redo the readings, but that's another nice feature, is it's gonna hold those readings so it's easy to see. But like I said, if you are tired of flipping breakers and trying to figure out which one goes to what outlet, this device is gonna save you so much time and totally worth checking out. If there is something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.